Hello everyone, I am Sarthak and welcome to the first video presentation on what is Visuino. In this presentation, we will learn about what is Visuino, how to download Visuino, and I will show you how to blink the LED number 13 in an Arduino through the Visuino software, not through the normal coding, because you all know that. So, what is Visuino? Visuino is a software designed by Bayan Maitov. What does it do? It allows us to make the coding part of our project. We all know that Arduino project consists of two parts, the hardware part and the coding part. So Visuino allows us to focus on our hardware part by designing the coding part on its own, just by dragging and dropping of the elements in the software. With this software, we can design our code not in hours but in minutes. And believe me friends, sometimes we can design our code even in seconds. This is the homepage of the Visuino. You can get more information about Visuino through this link www.visuino.com, and to download this software, go to downloads and click on the download button. It will download the software. It's a paid software. Currently I am also using a trial version of the software, 30 days free trial version, but I'm pretty sure I'll purchase this software because I'm finding it very interesting. So time to do something interesting now. So in this I'll teach you how to make your LED number 13 blink through Visuino, not by normal Arduino coding, through IDE, through Visuino. And this is how it looks like. This is your main board which you're using. Here I'm using Arduino Uno, and you can change your board if you're using any other board, no problem in that. You can use Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Pro Mini, ESP8266 and many others. So Arduino Uno, okay, and here it shows all the configuration of Arduino board, digital pin, analog pin, all the inputs, all the outputs, and this is your main toolbar. Here you have all your components that you are using in your hardware. So our main purpose in this program is to make LED number 13 blink. So we need first an LED. We'll type here LED, go to digital, and we'll take Arduino LED 13. Here we have LED. Now we want pin number 13 to show our output. That's right. So output of LED 1 should be connected to pin number 13. And now what we have to give an input of the LED. Suppose we want to make the LED blink in every 2 seconds. So we have to give it a timer. That thing can be done by a generator. In the toolbar we will type generator and we will select the pulse generator. We'll place it here. Now what does it do? The output of the pulse generator will go to the input of the LED. And in the output of the pulse generator, we'll click on it and we'll set the frequency of the pulse generator as 2. Because we want to blink the LED in every 2 seconds. If we want, we can change it to 3 or 4. But I'm showing you how to do it for 2. So 2. So everything is ready now. Yes, everything is ready. Now what you have to do, just you have to click on the button send to Arduino IDE. After clicking it will open Arduino IDE with the code automatically generated with no errors. It's okay. Yep, this is the Arduino code. Here you will see written Mito. It's nothing but the name of the maker of this software, the Visuino. So yes, we are done with the code. So the only thing we have to do is just to upload the code, and I'll show you. So friends, before uploading my code, I just want to tell you that here we have set the frequency as true. It doesn't mean that we have blink our LED in every 2 seconds. What does it mean? That we want our LED to blink twice in 1 second. Okay, so let's go back to the code and uploading it. Here, as you can see, the LED is blinking twice in every 1 second. So that's it. We have successfully performed our first task through Visuino. In the next presentation, I will tell you how to perform more complex hardware tasks using this software. If any problem, you can leave your doubt in the comment sections. And thanks for watching.